Florida in a matter of hours, and I just wasted an entire hour on the phone and had the absolute worst customer service experience of my life. So let me tell you about it while I try and pack as quickly as possible. 2 months ago, we decided to switch cell phone providers because the cell phone provider that we had, we just got absolutely no reception anywhere near our house, which we didn't like, so we wanted to change. They were also charging us a lot of money, and we had no idea that that was not normal until we went to another cell phone service provider, and they were like, "Are you guys okay? Like, y'all thought that was normal?" Honorable mention here, but we owned our phones. We didn't owe anything on them. We were literally just paying the cell phone provider for the service every month. So a couple of months ago, when we went ahead and went to a new cell phone provider, it was really simple. All we had to do was just transfer over the phone numbers to the new one, and that was that, because again, we already owned our phones. That's what we thought. Okay, really quick note here. Look how adorable these shorts are. My best friend got these for Grayson for his birthday. So like I said, we switched phone providers like 2 to 3 months ago, maybe like 2.5 months ago, and there have been no issues. Until yesterday, we get an email from our previous cell phone provider that they charged us $400. Now, in the email that they sent us, if you obviously want to view the summary of what they're charging you for, you have to go into your account. Now, here's the funny thing. The second that we switched phone providers, they actually erased our account. So we couldn't go in the account and see what they were charging us for. I get it that if there was some type of fee or something for leaving, I mean, yeah, it would kind of be annoying, but like, I understand. I just wanted to know what they were charging $400 for. So I call customer service, and obviously right away, before I could even get through to anybody, they tell me that I need to put in the phone number that is associated with my account. So they do so, and then they say that the phone number is not found because, again, they erased my account. So somehow I get through to somebody because I just start shouting customer service into the phone, and then ultimately I ended up with a customer service agent. He was really nice, but unfortunately he was from a different part of the company and he couldn't help me, so he transferred me over to somebody that would be able to help me. I get chatting with this person, and he says before he can help me, they need a code to confirm my identity. And so I said, I don't know the code. It's in my account. And they say, okay, well, can you get the code? And I said, no, because it's in my account and you erased my account, so I can't give you the code because I can't get into my account because you erased the account. Do you understand? And he said yes, and there's nothing that he can do about it. Then we start chatting, and he mentions another phone number that's not mine, but it's my mom's. Now, my mom is not on my account. However, my phone number used to be on my mom's account like 10 years ago when I was a teenager, but then she transferred it over to me, and I've been on my own account ever since. I tell him, listen, this has nothing to do with my mom's account. I don't want to touch her account. And I give him the 3 phone numbers that were on my account. And he says that none of those phone numbers have ever been associated with me. I said, sir, my phone number has been my phone number for the past 16 years. And I still have that phone number, just with a different provider. What's going on here? Felt like I was in Inception, you know, the Leonardo DiCaprio movie. I said, I feel like I'm in the Leo movie. And also, not for nothing, my husband has had his cell phone for at least 15 years as well. So the math wasn't mathing. After an hour on the phone with customer service, he says, ma'am, we never charged you $400. We can't help you. I said, what? I have an email from you. I have a charge from you. You guys charged me $400. I just want my $400 back. Or tell me what the $400 is for. I'm sweating again. Breathe. Breathe. Then he said that he could no longer help me, and he was going to transfer me over to another department that would investigate it, and then he hung up on me. And now at this point, I'm like an hour and 15 minutes in, and I'm sweating. And I tell Carl, I'm like, Carl, just call the bank. Anyways, I just realized that my daughter doesn't have a bathing suit, so I'm going to have to, like, place a Walmart order. I need, like, some chicken nuggets or something, honestly.